Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today's class I am gonna tell about the introduction of the unit 3 of class 11th. So this class is on special demand of my student, and unit 2 classes also going on. So let's start the today's class. What is the today's class? Introduction of unit 3. What is the name of unit 3? Classification of element and periodicity in properties. This is the name of the chapter. Classification of elements and periodicity in properties. So let's see what is the introduction or overview of this chapter and what topics will cover in classes. So introduction of the chapter is here. First is, why do we need to classify element? This is the first point of your chapter. Why do we need to classify elements? Why element classified in so many categories? So we will see in this class. This is the first topic of your chapter. Now come on the second topic. What is the second topic? Genesis of periodic classification. What is the genesis of periodic classification? In this topic, under this topic, law of triads, Newland's octaves, we will discuss here. What is the law of triads, Newland's octaves? We will see in this point. Next point is third point, Mendeleev's prediction. Mendeleev is the scientist. So what he give prediction, we will see in this chapter. Now come on next point, modern periodic law. What is the modern periodic law and present form of periodic table? Which table you study in this time, we will discuss just under this point, modern periodic table and present form of periodic table. Next point is nomenclature with atomic number 100. We will also discuss what is the nomenclature of atoms whose atomic number 100. Group wise discussion about S, P, D, F block elements. You know S block element, P block element, D block element and F block element. I will describe in next classes what is the S, P, D and F block elements. So what is the group wide discussion, we will discuss in next classes. Next point is metals, non-metals and metalloids. What is the metals, what is the non-metals and what is the metalloids? We will also discuss in upcoming classes. Next is trends, atomic and ionic radius. What is the atomic and ionic radius of the element? Properties of the elements, group wise properties, we will discuss in this class. So this is the today's topic, what will cover in our chapter 3 or unit 3 of class 11th. Let's see again, why do we need to classify element? Genesis of periodic classification, law of triads, Newland's octaves, Mendeleev's prediction, modern periodic law and present form of periodic table. Next is nomenclature with atomic number 100. Next point, electronic configuration and periodic table. Group wise discussion about S, P, D, F block elements. Next is metals, non-metals and metalloids. Next and last point, trends, atomic and ionic radius of the element. Properties, group wise, what is the properties of our elements. So all these topics we will cover in next classes. So for continuous topic and classes, first you have to subscribe Krishna classes, and also you can watch all previous videos of chapter 1 and 2 and press the like button. So thank you so much for the watching.